Welcome to Frameo's Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to add friends and family to your Frameo photo frame. To get started, tap the screen of your frame to open the quick menu from the slideshow screen. Press the button with an Add Friend icon. A unique code shown in red will now appear on your screen. Share this code with your friends and family. You can do this with a text message or email or a phone call. Once your friends have received the code, they will need to download and install the Frameo app on their smartphone. They can find it in the App Store or Google Play. After installing the app, press the Add Friend icon in either the top right or top left corner of the screen, depending on whether they use an Android smartphone or iPhone. Now enter the code for your Frameo in the text field and press OK. The code to your frame is valid for 12 hours from when you generated it on your frame, so make sure that your friends enter it in the app within this period of time. If they don't, they can always ask you for a new code. Your friends are now connected to your frame, and all you need to do is just to sit back and wait for all their wonderful photos and videos to start showing up on your frame. Your friends only have to connect to your frame one time. After having connected, they can send you all the photos they want. Check out the next video where you can see how you send photos from your smartphone to a Frameo photo frame. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.